imagine a voice AI agent that doesn't just talk, it acts. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a supercharged voice AI assistant with Vapi and connect it to MCP server so it can perform actions like booking, canceling, following up, you name it, he will do it. So let's jump in. So today we are going to use a platform called Vapi in order to build our AI voice agent. If you don't have account to Vapi, I'm gonna put a link down in the description. Just click on that link and you will come to this website. Just sign up to Vapi and they will give you $10 free credit in order to start and build your first AI voice assistant. So once you create your account, you will come to this page and let me show you how you can start building your AI voice agent. So on the left side, we have overview, metrics, and we have build. So under the build, we have assistant. Here we can build our assistant. Here we can create workflows for our assistant. Here we have outbound calls, which is something new inside Vapi. So inbound is when the customer is calling us and our AI voice assistant picks up the phone and talk to our customer. And the outbound is when we want our assistant to call others or call our clients or customers and talk to them. Here we have tools. We can give some tools to our AI assistant, which is our main topic today. We have files, phone numbers, we have squad. If you have a team, we can bring all of your teams here inside Vapi. And here, if you scroll down, we can see our call logs, our chat logs, session logs, our API logs, and also our webhook logs. But I'm not gonna cover all of these things inside Vapi. Today, I just want to focus on how we can create an AI voice agent and connect it to an MCP server outside Vapi, so our AI agent can perform actions and not just talk. So in order to do that, just go to assistant, and from here you can create an assistant. As you can see, if you have seen my previous videos, I have made an assistant for a reception at a car dealership, and I have made an AI assistant for dental clinic, for locksmith agent. The possibilities are endless. You can create as many as assistant for as many as businesses you want. So I'm gonna walk you step by step through this process. So just click on create assistant and you can give it a name here, and you can create your assistant completely from scratch, or you can choose some pre-built assistant from Vapi. So as you can see, they have customer support specialist, lead qualification specialist, info collector, appointment scheduler, and so on, the care coordinator, and feedback gatherer. So today we are just going to give it a name. For this demo, I'm just gonna give this name to our AI assistant. So I put AI voice assistant test and I click on create assistant, and in under seconds your assistant is already made. So now we need to change some settings in order for us to be able to call our assistant and talk to it. So this is our AI voice assistant test that I made, and you can see that we have some tabs here. We can choose model, voice, transcriber, tools, analysis, advanced, and widget is for the when that we want to use our assistant as a widget inside our applications or on our website. But these are more advanced. I'm not going to cover in this video. Here I just want to show you how you can use a model and use your voice, use your transcriber, and give a tool. That's it. So the first thing you need to do is actually to choose a model. For the model, I'm using OpenAI, but feel free to choose another thing as you wish. I'm just going to use OpenAI, and for the model, I'm using the GPT 4.1. So here we have the first message mode. This is for when that if you want your assistant to speak first, or if your assistant should wait for the user. So I'm just going to use assistant speaks first because this is an inbound call. The customer is calling us, and once we answer the call, I want my assistant to say something. So the first message is exactly the message that assistant will say. It will say, hello, how can I help you? You can change it the way you want. And the next thing, and important thing, is actually our system prompt. So here, as you can see, I have a system prompt, and this is actually for my AI voice agent to understand how or what he can do or what he should do. So here I'm giving the identity, I'm choosing the style, and I'm telling that this is the guidelines, this is the task and goal that you have to do, and here how you can handle some errors and fallback. And here I'm telling that how to end or close the call. And at the bottom, I'm just giving the current date and time, so my AI assistant always know what time or what date is it. So if you scroll up, and if you are wondering how you can come up with this system prompt, just go to ChatGPT and explain to ChatGPT what kind of assistant or AI voice assistant you are creating, and just ask ChatGPT to give you a system prompt for it. and then you can copy it and paste it here. And you can always edit it by clicking on this generate, and whatever you want to change, just type it here in English, and Vapi will use AI system and edit your prompt the way you want. So this is good for now, and if you pay attention here, I'm telling my AI assistant that you have the ability to book appointment for test drive for users. Just call MCP tool name, this is the name of the tool that I'm giving access to my assistant. Once you have users information, and again I'm telling that you have the ability to send confirmation email to user once the appointment is booked. So basically I'm saying to my AI voice agent that once you have all the information from our users, you can call a tool which its name is appointment. This is an MCP tool, which I'm going to show you how you can create it inside N8N. You can call this tool and you can book the appointment directly into my Google Calendar, or you can use this MCP tool to access my Gmail and send them the confirmation email on my behalf. But as we move on, I'm going to show you how this MCP tool works. So yeah, this is our system prompt. We do not have any files. For the temperature, I just keep it on 0.5. This is for the randomness of your answer. I don't want my answers to become more random. I just want to a mix of random and accurate. So I'm just going to keep it on 0.5. For the max token, I always keep it between 250 to 300. And the next tab is actually voice. So here you can choose your voice. Vapi has its own voice, and also you can use other platforms like 11 Labs, but I'm just going to use Vapi. And the voice you have here, you have a bunch of voices. For this demo, I'm just going with Elliot, which is a 25 years old male Canadian and professional and friendly. So additional configuration, here you can give a background sound. I'm using background office sound just to become more natural. And let's go down. For the transcriber, I'm just using DeepGram. This is for the transcriber to transcribe all my calls. The language is on English. The model, I found it the best one is Nova 3, but feel free to move around and change to different one and see what works the best for you. So background denoising enabled, yeah, I'm definitely keep this on because I want to filter the background noise which is coming from the user. And nothing more here. So under the tool, you can see that tools enable voice chatbots to perform actions during calls. Add tools from the tools library to connect with make.com or go high level workflows, or create custom tools with your backend. So I'm going to show you how you can create tools and give these tools to your AI voice agent. So your voice AI agent over the phone while it is with the customer, it also can take actions inside whichever platform you want. So right now you can see that I created a tool. I also have another tool which is appointment book, appointment check, and this tool right now I'm giving it to this AI voice assistant is appointment. This is only for the name, you can change the name, but I'm just using appointment. Yeah, the next thing is predefined functions. So I'm just going to turn this on. This is the function that my AI assistant can end the call. And let's move on. The custom functions, you don't need it. Summary, anything under analysis, you don't need it. You can skip it for now. All right, under the advanced, you can open privacy and you can turn on audio recording for yourself to record your audios. And after that, there are some settings that you can define how your AI voice agent should behave. So start speaking plan, I'm keeping it on half a second. This is for how long assistant waits before speaking. Smart endpointing, this is when your assistant can understand where is the endpoint of the sentence, and I'm just going to use Vapi. For the voicemail detection, because this is an inbound call, we don't need it. Stop speaking plan, so this is the number of words or the seconds that the customer has to talk, so our voice agent stop talking and start listening. So for the number of words, I just put it on 2 words. For the seconds, this means that how many seconds the customer should work so the assistant stop talking. I just put it on 0.2, and the backup seconds is the seconds to wait before the assistant will start talking again after being interrupted. So I just put it on 0, so it means that once the user is done talking, our assistant will start talking again immediately. The call timeout settings, you really don't have to pay too much attention here, just keep the default and move on. So yeah, here everything is default. Okay, under the messaging, there is something that we can change, and this is the end call message. This is the message that you want your assistant to say it to your customer when the assistant wants to end the call. So here my assistant is saying that thank you for calling us and we look forward to see you, and it will end the call. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Everything else you can keep it as default. And right now let me show you how you can connect your assistant to an MCP server, so while on the phone he can book the appointment, cancel the appointment, or maybe send an email. All right guys, right now I'm in my N8N account, and if you don't have N8N account, I'm gonna put it down in the description. Just click on that link and go ahead and open your account to N8N. They will give you 14 days free trial. It is more than enough just to build your first AI agent or AI voice agent and see how N8N is working. So as you can see here, I have an MCP server trigger that is connected to my Google Calendar, and it is also connected to my Gmail. So with this workflow, we can send some data from Vapi or from our AI voice agent to N8N here, and we can take or perform actions inside Calendar and also inside Gmail. So once our AI voice assistant has all the information, such as user's email or users the preferred time to come to us, or their name, their phone number, anything they have, we will send data to our N8N here to this MCP server. And this MCP server is so smart that it can understand which tool it should call. So if we are sending some email address, it means that we want to send confirmation email, and the server will use this node. But if we want to book appointment and we are sending some time or the preferred date for the user, this MCP server again is so smart that it can understand that it should take this tool and book the appointment inside our calendar. So in order to do that, you just need to bring this MCP server inside your N8N by let me show you how you can do that. So if I want to add a node here, just write MCP, and you can see that you have MCP server trigger. Just bring it here, and pretty much that's it. You have the test URL or production URL. If you are testing, you just need to copy this one and put it inside Vapi. But if you want to go fully active and go to production, just change to production URL and copy this one, and I'm going to show you where to put it inside Vapi. So let me just use my MCP server. Right now this workflow is active, so let me deactivate it, and when I deactivate it, I must use test URL. So from here, just click on this. You will copy your MCP test URL, go back to Vapi and go to tools, and here you can create a tool. Just scroll down until you see MCP. So click on MCP, and here you can give it a name, whatever you want. I just give the name appointment, and here just give it a description. I'm saying that call this tool to take actions in Gmail or Google Calendar. This is up to you, whatever you want, and you need to paste that URL here. So right now I'm using my production URL. I need to delete this and put the test URL. And once you are done, just click save. You don't need anything else. And we need to now go back to our assistant here, and under the tool, right now I'm giving the tool, but probably for you it isn't here. So choose your tool and you are good to go. Once like this. So let me see. Yeah, here right now it is for you like this, and click on this one and click the MCP tool that you just created. And once you are done, just click on publish. So now I'm going to call my AI assistant, and I'm going to show you how I can talk to this AI assistant and give my information, and you will be able to see that this AI assistant will call this workflow and start taking actions inside it. So let's call our AI assistant here.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book an appointment for a test drive.
Hello, thank you for calling. My name is Peter, the receptionist at the dealership. I'd be happy to help you schedule a test drive. Could I please have your full name, phone number, and your preferred date and time for the appointment?
Yes, let's do it for tomorrow, 12 p.m. My name is Alex. My phone number is 555-666-7788.
Give me a moment. Thank you, Alex. I've scheduled your test drive appointment for tomorrow at 12 p.m. Could you please provide your email address so I can send you a confirmation?
Sure, my email is ali_tala1995@yahoo.com.
One moment. Thank you for calling us, and we look forward to see you.
All right, guys, that's it. You could see that how our AI voice assistant called this MCP server and use this calendar to book the appointment. And the second time when I gave my email address, you could see that the execution was started and the MCP server was hitting the send a message in Gmail and send us the email. So if I want to show you, let's open these two runs. The first run was the calendar book event. So if I open it, you can see that this is the time, and which was coming from our voice AI agent, and this is exactly the link to my Google Calendar. So if I copy and paste it here and open the event, we could be able to see the event. Yeah, exactly. So today is 8th. I booked the appointment for tomorrow, 12 p.m. Obviously, it doesn't have the title. We can configure it to have the title, to have the description, whatever we want, but you can see that the appointment was booked without us doing anything. So let's jump inside N10 and I'll show you the second run. The second run was to send an email, where I gave my email address, and the AI voice agent called our MCP server and used our Gmail node in order to send us a confirmation email for my test drive. So if I open it, you see that the email was sent to this email address. This is the subject, the test drive appointment confirmation, and here is the message. Let me open it as a table. It says that, hello Alex, your test drive appointment is scheduled for tomorrow at 12 p.m. If you have any questions or need to reschedule, please let us know. Thank you for choosing our dealership. Best regards, Peter, receptionist. This is awesome, guys. Without us doing anything, our AI voice agent can talk to our customers and take actions inside our calendar, our email address. It can also add a Google Sheet, Google Word documentation, whatever you want. It can also send a Telegram message, send Slack notification, whatever you want. You just name it, you just give the access, and your AI voice agent will do the rest. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found value, and if you like this video, just give it a like. It definitely helped me to show this video to more people on YouTube who might need it. If you want to see more tutorials like this, or if you have any idea, just put it down in the comment section. I'll be reading them and I'll answer them as soon as possible. And if you have any good idea for my next video, I'm gonna definitely see and make it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel once I publish a new video so you don't miss it. If you want this template for completely free, you can join my WAP community. The link to it is down in the description. Just click on that link and you come to our community. We have a free community and a paid one. You are welcome inside both of them. Once you join, just go to the Learn section, and under Learn section, go to Free Resources, and here you can find the same template that I was using in this video alongside other templates that I have made and put it here for completely free. Just download them and go back to your N10, click on these three dots and import the file and bring this template inside your N10 and start working on it. I hope you guys liked it. I wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next video.